Hello everyone, and let's have a break today from making crochet blanket lotus. I would like to share with you a tip on how to make your granny square or maybe a big blanket, even bigger. Some time ago I made this a very nice and beautiful crochet square designed by Veronica Liachovic from wecrochetpatterns.com. The original size was not as big as I wanted it to be. It was about 26 centimeters, little bit more than 10 inches. So I decided to add some rounds in gray. 4 rounds in gray. Actually, if you liked the original design, some time ago I made a video tutorial with a permission from Veronica, and I will leave the links to the parts of the tutorial in description and in comment to this video, so you will be able to make one square for yourself, or maybe even more, if you liked this design as much as I did. So I added 4 rounds, 1 of double crochets, 1 of single crochets, then round of clusters of 3 triple crochets, and once again round of single crochets. And at this point I like this motif so much that maybe I will make more squares and maybe they will form a very nice blanket. But for this time I just wanted to share with you this nice tip that you can always add some rounds to your work in case you need a different size, and be creative using some energy to put a piece of yourself in the work you are making. Next week we will continue working crochet blanket lotus, and as always I wish you easy stitches and making wonderful blankets. See you next week.